Hi there, it's John here, and this is a small video about the unboxing of my latest radio gear. This came from Banggood in China. Very good service from Banggood, I must admit. I can't fault the speed and delivery. Roughly about 10 days to get here. This is the FS-GT5. This has been recommended as a good radio gear with multiple channels, as you can see, 6 channels on the 2.4 GHz frequency bands. And this is a small video just to unbox and see what it looks like. I'll do this in stages and then we can see this bit by bit. So I've got to take off this outer cover and this outer sleeve, and then we'll have a look what's inside the box. So removing the outer sleeve, as you can see there, leaves you with this mysterious black box. What's inside the box? So, opening the box, and you're first of all greeted with a quick reference guide. Very well packed, nice dense foam protecting the actual radio gear. So that's really good, quite chuffed with that. Let's have a look here. So, looks like that's a different size rubber handle grip. Aha, there you have it. One radio gear, radio transmitter, and one receiver. Lovely. Just going to make a little bit of space here to remove this nice, very secure location. As you can see, it comes all well boxed here, well packaged. And we'll take off the wrappings. So there you have it, RC fans. The GT5 from FlySky. Quick start guide. Main controller. Large handle. So I assume this is a small one. We'll have a little look. One receiver. Leave the receiver. There we go. There we are. FS-BS 6-channel receiver. And the bind plug. I think I'll go get some batteries. Let's turn it on. Let's have a look. Back in a moment. So, inside the controller, a nice controller. Doing this one-handed, folks. Your LED screen. Got the antennae system that moves down. You've got your channels 5 and 6 here. Throttles. Dual rates, channel 4, I think that one is, and channel 3 here. Very good. Very good steering, nice and foam support on the steering, very positive, looks very good, and it takes your 4 AA batteries. Just going to pop some of those in and turn on the system. Hold on for me just one moment. So just popping some batteries in, and as you see, 3 are there. I'm just going to put the extra one in a moment, but just wanted to see if I can get this on camera. There is a JST port that sits, I don't think it's going to come in off camera. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light. There you go, you can just pick that out, there you go. JST port there, so you can actually put in some LiPo batteries if you prefer. That's a neat idea, like that. So just going to put the last battery in and then we'll power up. Okay, so here we go. So the power button is on the edge here, and then hopefully we should see some life in the machine. Ah, there we go. Just going to turn the video around a little bit there, just so we can see a little bit more. There we go. Excuse my shaky hand. So as you saw there, screen came on, came off. There we go. So it shows the voltage of your batteries. Looks like mine are dropping way down. I've been using them a little bit, I must admit, on another controller. And you've got your various settings inside. So it's time to have a read. I believe you can change the colours of the LEDs. And oh yes, there you go, model. As you can see there, I programmed it ready for my new edition that's coming this Christmas. Lucky me. And the various programming features that you program for each of those. So you've got at the top there, let's see if it can, I've just picked that out. There we go. I think we can just about do that. So you've got there we are. So you've got the model. So the first of the Model 1. You can program the name of the model. Then you've got your reversing of your channels, reversing of your servos or whatever you need to do. Endpoint adjustments. Not quite sure what sub TR is, have to look at that. Dual rates, exponentials. Looks like some braking systems you can program. Trims, fail safes. Put it into crawler mode. SVC, not sure what that is, I'll have to go and have a look at the read old manual. But yeah, nice channel radio gear. Nice. Looking forward to this. Looking forward to putting this onto the new model they get for Christmas. Until next time, keep safe, folks. Thanks for looking.